Let's go edit our action.py file again. So we'll just open it up. And now scroll back down to where we created that control LED class. So here's our control LED class, and we wanted to do a little bit more than it does at the moment. One of the main things we wanted to do is to give a bit of verbal feedback to the user, to tell them that the LED is turning on or off. For that, we're going to need to use the say function. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down to where I have the keyword, and into the control LED class, when that object is created, I'm going to pass in the say function. Now I can come back up it and edit my class, and the first thing I'm going to do is enable it to be able to use that say function. So I'm going to initialize any object that's created using this class with def init, and then into def init goes self and that say function. And then I just need to say that self.say is equal to say, and that will enable the other methods within the class to use the say function. I'm going to remove the stuff from inside the run method at the moment. Now currently what's going to happen is voice command is whatever the user speaks along with the LED keyword. There's a little bit of a problem though, because I'm not quite sure whether the Google API is going to give back uppercase or lowercase characters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new variable called command and make it equal to voice command.lower, and that will convert all the characters to lowercase. And then if on is inside that new variable command, which is going to be a string, I can turn the LED on. And then I can give a little bit of feedback to the user by saying self.say and then turning LED on. Obviously, if off is in there, then I'm going to want to turn the LED off and tell the user that that's exactly what I'm doing. So self.say turning LED off. Let's give that a go and see what that looks like when I run it. So I'm just going to Control S to close, and then open up the dev terminal and run source main.py. Now let's see what happens when I use that. So I should be able to push the button, LED on.
Turning LED on.
And then I can type, push the button again and LED off.
Turning LED on.
I don't have to use the keyword on. For instance, let's try this command. LED station.
Turning LED on.
LED awful.
Turning LED on.
So we need some improvements to our script. So let's open up that file again. And we'll scroll back down to our class that we created and see how we can alter it to make it a little bit more robust. So at the moment it's looking for that keyword on, but obviously the keyword on is in the word station, for example. So we need some way of preventing it picking out those two characters that are together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the dot split method to the end of this string here. So dot split is going to take every single word from the original command string and break it up and put each word into a list. And that way I'm only searching on for each item in the list as opposed to just a character sequence. Let's just save this and close again. I'm going to hold my program with Control C and then run it again. And let's see what happens now. LED on.
Turning LED on.
LED off.
Turning LED off.
LED station. And nothing happens.